Today, we are going to explore how to create a video using the InVideo AI software. We will walk through each step in great detail, from the video creation process to navigating the software and understanding its pricing plans. To begin, we'll input pre-written text for the video. In our demonstration, we'll guide you through building a video using this software to personalize your creation. You'll notice various customizable parameters, including the choice of voice, gender, ethnicity, and video clips to compose the content. These clips have different values exchanged for credits, with their prices being significantly lower than if purchased individually, making this an excellent resource for a wide range of paid media and a decent selection of subtitles. While I personally have some reservations about the subtitles provided by InVideo AI, the video we aim to create will be approximately 5 minutes long. The software's accuracy is enhanced when we are clear and specific about our requirements. If you need guidance on writing text for your video, you can find a helpful tutorial at the bottom of the home page. These 3 categories are instrumental in defining the style, and once selected, the video creation process will commence. Typically, the lead time is around 3 to 4 minutes. Let's dive into the video immediately. If you'd like to skip ahead to see how it was created, you can jump to minute 5:51.
Video editing, simplified with InVideo AI. In this digital age where every moment is captured, shared, and savored, video editing has become more than just a skill. It's a language, a way to tell your story, to share your vision with the world. Yet for many content creators, crafting professional videos can be a daunting task. The stumbling blocks, high-end software that require a steep learning curve, hefty price tags, and hours of effort. But what if there was a tool that could simplify this process? A tool that gives you the power to create stunning videos without the complexity. Enter InVideo AI. It's not just a video editing software, it's a game changer. It's designed to make video editing not only simpler, but also faster and more intuitive. InVideo AI takes the complexity out of video editing, making it accessible for everyone. Navigating InVideo AI is as easy as pie. The first step towards embarking on your video editing journey is creating an account. You'll start by heading over to the InVideo AI website. There, you'll see an option to sign up. Click on that and you're on your way. You'll be asked to enter some basic information, your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in these details, click on Create Account. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email. Just click on the link provided and voila, you're all set up. InVideo AI prides itself on its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to video editing, you'll find it easy to navigate and understand. It's designed to make video editing simple and accessible for everyone, regardless of their level of experience. And just like that, you're all set to start your video editing journey with InVideo AI. InVideo AI comes packed with features designed to take your content to new heights. Let's dive in and uncover the magic behind these tools. First up, we have an extensive template library. Whether you're crafting an eye-catching intro or creating a compelling explainer video, there's a template for every occasion. These templates are not just mere skeletons, they're complete designs with a professional touch, waiting for you to breathe life into them with your unique content. Next, let's talk about the editing tools. No need to be a seasoned pro to navigate this platform. The editing tools are user-friendly and intuitive. You can trim clips, add transitions, overlay text, and much more. It's like having your own personal editing studio, minus the complexity. Then we have the star of the show, the AI-powered video creation. This is where technology meets creativity. The AI assists you in creating videos that are not only visually appealing, but also resonate with your message. It analyzes your content, suggests suitable templates, and even recommends edits. It's like having a co-creator that never sleeps. But it doesn't stop there. There are many more features like automated subtitles, royalty-free music, and a host of others, each designed to enhance your video making experience. With InVideo AI, you have all the tools you need to create stunning videos right at your fingertips. Experience the magic of InVideo AI for yourself. Dive into a realm where creativity and technology merge, offering you the power to transform your ideas into stunning visual narratives. With InVideo AI, you're not just editing, you're creating, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in video content. Imagine the ability to amplify your message, resonate with your viewers, and reach a wider audience than ever before. All of this is possible with InVideo AI. And the best part? You can start your journey with a free trial. Yes, you heard it right. a free trial to explore the endless possibilities of InVideo AI. This isn't just about adding effects or trimming clips. It's about empowering you to tell your story your way. It's about giving you the tools to captivate, to engage, and to inspire. InVideo AI is not just a tool, it's your partner in creating captivating content. Try it out today and experience the difference. InVideo AI is fantastic, but it's not perfect. Like any sophisticated tool, it does have a learning curve for beginners. You might find yourself grappling with the advanced features initially, but don't let that deter you. The beauty of InVideo AI is that it provides a wealth of resources, tutorials, and support to help you master the platform. It's a minor hiccup in an otherwise flawless journey. InVideo AI might have its challenges, but the benefits it offers to content creators are unparalleled. It's the video editing tool you've been waiting for.
Next, let's explore how we went about replacing the clips in the video that didn't meet our preferences and how we edited them. There is a wide array of clips available, although I found it a bit challenging to search by text. However, with thorough searching, the right clip for your video can always be found. Now, let's address the cost of this AI. Let's take a look at the software's pricing plans. The available plans are quite intriguing, and I believe the maximum plan is the most cost-effective. The clip-to-minute ratio is highly advantageous, especially for mass video production. Moving on, we will proceed to export the video to finalize the creation process. Additionally, we have the option to create our own media library with our most frequently used clips. Our projects will be stored in the history and can be accessed at any time for further editing or retrieval. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful and engaging, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and become part of our growing community of curious minds. So, hit that subscribe button and join us in exploring fascinating topics together. See you in the next video.